This is your very spacious living room. Have a look at it. This is your very spacious kitchen, guys. Have a look at it. This is your very spacious master bedroom. You can see the... Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Mira Crest by Sonam Builders. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. Have a look at it. This is the actual tower. Check the main road, check the neighborhood. The left takes you directly to highway. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly with builders. So now buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.25 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 30 floors with configuration of 2 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, they have 25 plus world-class amenities including a sky gym, swimming pool, banquet hall, mini theatre and many more. Talking about connectivity, this project is located in Westin Park, Mira Road East, with Western Express Highway at a distance of just 180 meters, Metro just at a distance of 3 minutes of walk, Mira Road Railway Station at a distance of just 15 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's go check the sample flat out. Now let me give you the sample flat tour of this 2 BHK with an area of 762 square feet. As we enter, this is your foyer space. Moving ahead, this is your very spacious living room. Have a look at it. After placing your sofa and your TV unit, still there's so much of walkable space over here. Right here is your window. You get half French window. Let's go check the dining area. One of the highlights of this living room is the dining space, because usually you do not get such a big dining space, but here you're getting such a big dining space. Easily 8 to 10 seaters of dining space can come over here. And after that also there's so much of space. Here you can make a shelf and store all your utensils. Now let's go check the kitchen. This is your very spacious kitchen, guys. Have a look at it. 2 sides of parallel platform, and you're going to get this kitchen as it is. That means modular kitchen with chimney. Where your platform ends, here is your washing machine area. So they have given good space for you to keep your washing machine as well. And now this is your space for refrigerator. You can see such a big 2 double door refrigerator is placed over here. So you can easily keep your double door refrigerator over here. Let's go now check the common washroom. So as we move ahead, this is your common washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Such a spacious common washroom. So every room in this house, is not compact. You get good space. The kitchen, the living room, the dining area, everything is quite spacious. As we enter, this is your first bedroom. Have a look at it. Such a spacious bedroom. There's so much of walkable space over here. Again, in this room also you get half French window attached. That is your wardrobe space. Have a look at it. So a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area. Check the depth of the wardrobe. Good depth given to your wardrobe. And still there's so much of walkable space. So now let's go check the master bedroom, which is the last bedroom of this house. But before moving ahead, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat videos and actual flat videos, pros and cons of buying the project, 360-degree location tour, payment and EMI schemes. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit along with us. Now let's go check the master bedroom. As we enter, this is your running wardrobe space. Have a look at it. Such good space given for you. So this entire thing is your running wardrobe, this entire wall. So this is your attached washroom. Have a look at it. Quite spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now this is your very spacious master bedroom. You can see the amount of space in this room. There's still so much space besides the TV unit to keep your belongings. Again, make a cupboard over here. You can make a cupboard over here despite of the running wardrobe. You will again be getting half French window attached to your room. This is your study area where you can have your meetings, do your office work, work from home, etc. So quite spacious master bedroom, I must say. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Sonam Mira Crest located in Mira Road East. To get more information about this property, don't forget to check the comment section, and to know more about such properties, don't forget to check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.